Talomua fam, good morning. Welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Today is going to be a really busy day. We're preparing the things for the Talomua, the produce. So I planned to take a day off work today to help out the boys. So I'm just on my way to drop off tiapula for one of the farmers in the pier, and then come back and then begin harvesting some taro and all the produce that we're going to be taking to the Talomua tomorrow. So really busy day. I hope you enjoyed today's content, and yeah, we'll catch you soon. Taking to a pier today, and then once we get back, we'll go straight to the plantation and help out Uncle and the boys to harvest the taro for the Talomua or the Luaisiaisiling. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel.
Talomua guys, we're now back at the plantation here with the boys, Uncle there and Wati. We're now going to harvest as much taro as we can. The boys, they're just getting the pumpkins. So yep, taro and pumpkins. We're all going to harvest these for the Talomua or the Luaisiaisiling tomorrow. And yeah, we'll try and record as much as we can given the weather conditions. Pretty rainy, and we're just worried in case I'm worried in case my phone might get wet, but I'll try my best. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So we're also getting some planting material for our 4-month variety that's shown some really good success with the Talomua, and yeah, working on getting them now. Then we'll make them into bundles and then yeah, sell it.
harvested probably close to 100 taro for the Talomua, and the sizes are pretty miraculous and amazing, to be honest. We didn't think it'd be this big, so all thanks, glory goes to God for His provision and His blessings on our back. So me and Bob have just returned from home. We went to drop off the first lot of taro. Now we're coming back to pick up the second lot, just so that we have enough for the Talomua. This plantation is probably a month, going on to 2 months now, and that next plot is roughly 2 weeks. So yeah. Roads, the road condition has deteriorated really bad, like really bad. When we first came to drop off the first lot, could barely make it up the hill, and now, as you can see, I'm really starting to question the second time we're coming up, because the roads turned to an absolute sludge. The camera doesn't do it any justice. It's really bad. So hopefully we make it back, and the car makes it back in one piece. Sorry guys, totally forgot to capture when we were loading our second batch, but it's mostly planting material with a few taro, as you can see in the back there with the boys. Now we're gonna head home. We're gonna pick up some coconuts, the growing ones, to also take to the Talomua on our way home to our other piece just on the top there. So yeah, all's good. Okay. So pretty much done. We'll start from this side. We've got Coco, that's what we use to make the chocolate. Samoan, fight Samoa, the big one. Just one fight palang there, but we'll probably discard it. We've got the pumpkins, good pumpkins. We've got taro, the different varieties. These are the huge ones, the 4 month. Get 4 months and look at the size. For 4 months, that's pretty good. We've got the tiapula,
This is the 4-month varieties. We have 1, 2, 3 bundles of that, 2 bundles of the Coco variety. We've got the O'o, and then we've got the vetiver grass. Now this is a special one that we're hoping to promote soon, so that's gonna go up to the Talomua, as we've got a whole bunch in there. But we'll use this for the display. It's great for soil erosion and holding the soil. So this is another good grass for that. But all in all, pretty much done for today. Wati and Pa'a there finishing up. Big thanks to Wati and Pa'a. Helped out with most of today's job. And yeah, poor old girl, so dirty. All right.